You act like you need reminding, trying to do it over, bring it back and rewind it. But all that glitters isn't gold, I was blinded. Should have never gave you my heart on consignment. And
Hey guys, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. I'm here getting my hair done. I got a lot of Hey guys, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. It's super early, so if I can't talk right, just excuse me. But I'm here getting my hair done with Laurissa, and I get a lot of requests asking about my hair and like what color it is and stuff. So I thought I'd bring you guys along, and I've been begging her to do this, so I'm so excited. She's allowing me to do this. So we're gonna go lighter today. She's doing foils right now. She's right here. She wants to say hi.
Hi guys.
And I'll take you guys along with the process and we'll just see how this goes. It's gonna come out amazing because she always does really amazing hair. So I'm excited. I trust her, so I just tell her that I want to go lighter.
And I can't believe the life that I went for. Thought you was mine, but you decided to be with him though. You took my feelings and just threw them out the window. Feel like it's too hard to fall in love again, no. On some nights like this, shorty, I can't help but think of us. I've been reminiscing, sleeping, missing ya. Can you tell me what's with all this distant love? If I call, would you pick it up? On some nights like this, I just wanna text you, but for what? You gon' say you want me, then go switch it up. Just gon' play with my emotions just because. No, you gon' get my hopes up.
Feels so good. I feel the air.
So it's just to hold everything back and to keep the Venus.
You have bleach in your hair.
Oh, that's fine.
Oh, I was like, oh my gosh. I'm done with the foils. I'm gonna sit and let it lighten up, and I'll come back to you guys when we're gonna wash out my hair, and then we'll see what we're working with from there. I want to go really light, so we're gonna see how light we can make it. I wanted to hold on.
Okay.
So good.
Thought we had forever, you never see my point of view. Our connection is so severed, you don't show no effort. Can't believe the lies that I went for. Thought you was mine, but you decided to be with him now. You took my feelings and just threw them out the window. Feel like it's too hard to fall in love again, no. On some nights like this, shorty, I can't help but think of us. I've been reminiscing, sipping, missing ya. Can you tell me what's with all this distant love? If I call, would you pick it up? On some nights like this, I just wanna text you, but for what? You gon' say you want me, then go switch it up. Just gon' play with my emotions.
Back in the salon, and I was actually supposed to go to Dodger game, but that didn't happen. So I told Laurissa to leave my hair natural and like wet, and I put it in a bun because I thought I was going to Dodger game. I thought I didn't have time to let my hair like dry or like style it nicely for it to be natural. That's why it is in a bun. But everything happens for a reason, and I'm here and I'm gonna film this for the video for you guys because I thought, why don't I just wash my hair all over again and then style my hair because it's already dry. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and use some Fanola products. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair, shampoo, condition, mask, and then also style my hair, diffuse it, so we can see how it looks together, the big reveal. Okay, so what I actually did prior to going into doing my hair, I used this. This is a Deva Curl Deep Sea Repair, and this is with proteins. This is a reviving formula made with restorative seaweed, a strengthening blend of rice, soy, and wheat proteins, and moisturizing sea lavender, transforms damaged hair. And this is for all curl types and waves, whatever, to make your hair look really healthy. So I did this prior to going in because I wanted to make sure that I I'm making my hair strong before I even go in to get it bleached. So it's really important to do care before you go into your appointment, because I mean, they do stuff there, like Laurissa did stuff there, but it's still important to take care of your hair at home, which is prior to your appointment and also after your appointment. Okay, so since I just bleached my hair, I do want to use a bond connector. This is the Fiber Fix from Fanola. This is a shampoo conditioner set. This is actually what this looks like right now, and this is my color right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair and then style it so it can be nice and voluminous and get its body back. Okay, so my hair is completely wet. I'm gonna go ahead and put the shampoo in my hair. And this says to, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my Deva towel on my shoulders because I don't want my robe to get really soaked. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just apply this. It has a really nice lather and it smells really nice. It smells a lot like their NutriCare line, and their NutriCare line smells really, really nice. And to be honest, I really wouldn't recommend washing your hair the same day that you get your hair done, but I'm doing it because I had to wet my hair anyways and I wanted to do this video, so I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna repair my hair while I'm doing it. So, you know, I feel like it's not that bad. So this is the consistency of it. Prior to getting my hair done today, I hadn't gone in for 6 months to Laurissa. Come on, baby, hurry. Come on, get inside, hurry. Hurry, get inside, come on. Teddy, come on, get inside. Thank you. Thank you, baby. It says to massage. This says to massage into your hair. Teddy's behind me, so I'm trying to be really careful with him behind me. I'm just gonna turn around so you guys can see how it is looking in my hair. Okay, so for this Fiber Fix shampoo, you leave it in for 2 minutes and you rinse it out. So I'm gonna leave it in, rinse it out, come back to you guys, and we'll go ahead and do the conditioner. So it's super quick, like 2 minutes, that's really nothing. So be right back. Okay, so I just rinsed all the shampoo out and it just came out really nicely. Again, it smells so nice. So I'm gonna go in with the conditioner, and this is the No. 2 Bond Connector. This is ideal for colored and bleached hair and to complete and stabilize hair after perms and straightening services. So it's to really like reconstruct your hair and get it together. We're gonna go ahead and leave this on for 5 minutes and then we rinse it off. And it's really creamy. Oh, it's really, really creamy. I love that. This says to apply to lengths and ends, so focus it more on the ends. After I just put a whole glob on the side of my head, but it's okay. This one says to leave on for 5 minutes and you rinse it out. Drink your water. Okay, so now that we have the conditioner rinsed out, I'm gonna go with a mask to add some extra TLC to our hair. Well, it's my hair, but like I'm sharing the process with you guys, so I want you guys to be part of it. So I'm gonna go in with this mask. This is the Fanola Curly Shine Curly and Wavy Hair Mask, and I've never used it, so I'm gonna go ahead and use it on camera with you guys, so we'll see how it works. Alright, so I'm just gonna pop this with my nail. Or actually I'm not, because Teddy's in here and he doesn't like loud noises, so I'm gonna open this like the right way. The consistency of this is really different too. We're gonna try this out together. I just have like a big glob of it, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add this all throughout my hair. I don't know if you guys saw that, but I get so scared when that happens. I should probably not wear hoops when I do this, but I want to wear them so I can. So this mask is enriched with silk proteins. It carries out a weightless detangling and hydrating action. It restores elasticity. It resists humidity, has an anti-static action, and leaves hair soft and full of shine. So I'm all for it. Give me all of that, please. And it says, apply evenly along lengths and tips, comb through, and leave on for 5 minutes. Alright, so it's pretty much all throughout my hair. What I like to do at this point is I'll actually part my hair the way I'm going to wear it, because then I can detangle it, and then it will actually start to scrunch. And especially since my hair was just bleached, I really want to make sure that I'm doing this to get that kind of like that life back into it, and get it back to like its natural state. And people are gonna come for me because I'm scrunching my hair, but Everyone's hair is different. If something works for you, then it works for you. Okay, so I saw a comment recently on my channel and it said that you shouldn't leave a hair mask in for longer than it's directed, like on the instructions. And I have to say that, well, for my research and stuff, that I've seen that you can leave a hair mask in, but it depends on the hair mask. So not all hair masks should be left in like overnight and stuff. The actual hair mask that was in that video that someone had commented about it was the Shea Moisture Deep Treatment Mask, and that one I left in because it's like more natural and stuff, doesn't have like anything like crazy in it. So I leave that one in overnight because it's like natural, you know? I looked it up to see if it was like beneficial or not to leave a hair mask in like longer, but people just said that it really isn't, or like the results really don't differ, or they may differ or don't. It just really depends on the mask that you're using. So I just wanted to throw that out there because there's tons of information out there. Honestly, it's just deciding what works for you and what works for your hair. So just take things from like different people, and if it works for you, try it and keep doing it. If it doesn't, then try something else. I just want to show you guys an example of a hair mask that you shouldn't leave overnight. This is a Deva Curl Deep Syrup Hair. Alright, so I just rinsed the hair mask out of my hair and it feels so soft. I'm going to go ahead and style my hair like I normally would with my styling products that I always use. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the results after I'm done diffusing, which is going to be forever for me, but for you it'll be extremely quick. I'm just going to time lapse the styling process so you guys don't have to like sit through the whole process. Now it's time for, I have to unplug one of the lights so the lighting isn't going to be that good when I diffuse it. I'll put the light back in when I come back in. Show you guys the results. Okay, so it's like 11 o'clock. My hair is about 90% dry. I don't want to wait till it's 100% dry because I want to go to sleep when I'm tired and I want to wash this makeup off and lay down. But how my hair is looking right now, it's kind of like a little frizzy because I feel like when my hair is like almost dry, it looks frizzy, and then like when it dries, it like gets itself together. But this is how it's looking right now. And to finish it off, I'm using the Fanola Oral Therapy, so 24K Diamante Puro. This is a regenerating fluid for sensitized and stressed hair. And my hair was just sensitized and stressed today, so I'm going to be using this on my hair to help it give that like life back to it. This smells really good. I'm going to go ahead and put it onto... Ooh. Oops. I'm just going to go ahead and put it on the ends. This little one right here. Like this right here is still really wet. I don't know if you guys can tell, but that's wet right there. I'm so excited to like get ready with this hair and like do my makeup with this hair and also like outfits to put together. I'm really excited. I was honestly scared to see how my hair would react to being this light, but she got it together. I definitely think the products I use right now to help reconstruct my hair definitely did help. Just remember, it's always really important to take care of your hair at home because they can do like everything in their power at the salon, but if you don't take care of it at home, like it matters what you do at home. So take care of your hair at home because it'll thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I got a lot of questions on my hair color and like who does my hair and what it's called. So this really isn't the hair that I usually get. It's a lot lighter, but I wanted to bring you guys along with me so you guys see the process of it. If you guys have any questions, definitely leave them down below in the comments. I'll go ahead and reply to them, or go ahead and ask Laurissa if you guys wanted to on our Instagram. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, definitely give me a thumbs up so you guys liked it. I do have discount codes with some of the brands I included today. I will definitely link them down below in the description box All my discount codes are usually always down in the description box. So I hope you guys have a good morning, day, night, wherever you guys are. Make sure you guys subscribe so you guys can see more content from me, so you guys can see like outfits that I'm putting together with this hair. I'm really excited. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I want to say a big shout out to Laurissa. Thank you so much for this hair. It's so cute. I will go ahead and leave her information right here. She's amazing. Definitely check her out. She's located in Cerritos if you guys like around that area. And she's amazing. And I'll go ahead and leave all her information too down below in the description box. Thank you, Laurissa. You're amazing. She's so sweet. Like, she's a really nice person and she does amazing work. So yeah, I'm excited for this hair.